This is the 1% of the 1% of America up here in Atherton, California. Now, you guys don't know where Atherton's at. That's over here, up here in the Bay Area. There's $1 million houses, multi-million dollar houses up here. This is actually the richest zip code in California. Up here in Atherton. You're going to see this big ass house right here. Sorry for my language. You're going to see this big house up here. But yeah, I want to talk about the 1%. To be in the 1%, man. I mean, it's not a lot. I think you need to be making $500,000, I believe. Maybe less, actually. Maybe way less than that. But these people that own these houses. Look at this house right here. Look at that house right there. And there's multiple like that. That's crazy. But yeah. Look, BMWs. Last time I seen a Ferrari right here. But going back to the point. To be in the 1%. Look at it. You gotta do things differently. You can't work at a job, right? You have to have your own business. You have to make a certain amount. But I truly believe there's even more than just the 1%. I feel like there's like 0.0001%, and these are these people right here. You know, these houses are mostly. Most of the people that live in these houses are like tech billionaires, right? Up here in Silicon Valley. Oh, dead end. But yeah, it's obviously, listen, if people like this are living in these houses, why can't you live in these houses, right? What's stopping you? Better question, what's stopping me? I need to speak for myself. And there's a lot of things that stop us, right? A lot. But the most important thing that stops us is laziness, not working hard, not having the hunger. And let's go this way, actually. I want to fix that. You know, I think this is the end. But yeah, going back to what I was gonna say, I don't want to record here because probably people here. But going back to what I was gonna say, though, you can't afford these houses on a job, on a salary, on a $100,000 salary. You just can't. Maybe in a different state, maybe in Texas, maybe get a mortgage for that. But these houses, these houses are different. You know. So there's obviously something wrong with what you're doing. Obviously, the job that you're working at is not cutting it. Obviously, you're not making enough money. And everyone's different. Some people don't want to make a lot of money. Some people just want to work a normal job. And that's fine, too. There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm talking to the 1%. Look at that house up there. I'm talking to the 1%. This is where you change your mentality. This is where I come to change my mentality. You know? Look at this house. This is where I change my mentality. When I drive up here, I imagine myself living in one of these houses. I will live in one of these houses. I just know it. So I'm going to give you guys a few pointers to do. And I'm doing it myself too. This is my journey. No, I'm not a millionaire. I'm a brokey. But this is my journey. Right? Number 1, start taking action. We got to start taking action on whatever it is. Whatever you're going to build. Whatever you're going to do. Start taking action. Don't be lazy. That's number 1. Rich people are not lazy. They're hard workers. And they're smart. Now, hard work would only get you far. Because everyone works hard. And construction workers, the people that made these houses, they work hard. So why are they not rich? Because they got to be smarter with their money. Right? But number 1, don't be lazy. Number 2, you got to invest your money into something that produces money. You can't let your money sit in the bank. You can't. It's okay for it to sit in the bank for a while you get yourself together. But your money needs to be moving. It needs to be moving. If it's not moving, it's dead.